What's the ROI in comparison in both terms of investment, telematics aggregation and sensor driven?
I can talk about this telematic aggregation. The cost structure is a little bit different. The per unit cost is relatively small, or added cost per unit for tracking. The visibility providers are asking for maybe $0.50, $1 per shipment, which is less than tracking hardware or sensors. But the bigger cost part is actually integration to the IT systems and between TMS system and tracking system. And this is significantly bigger anyway. So you need to compare them both together. And here, maybe even sensor and telematics integration is not so different. But also revenue from or added value from the telematics-based system is somewhat more limited, as we don't get many sensor data what is otherwise available.
To expound on that, the unit cost, at least for telematics aggregation, is going to be lower than the unit cost per shipment for sensors. The ROI, regardless of visibility type, is very strong. We've seen Gartner publish ROI for real-time transportation visibility platforms of, I think it's over 20 times. I think the question comes in is that the lower cost for telematics aggregation leads to a higher overall ROI because the bottom line is low. On a sensor driven, the bottom line is going to be higher, but for very sensitive items such as pharmaceuticals or food and beverage that are exposed to either condition or security concerns, then the opportunity to rescue those shipments from entire spoilage or from being stolen or adulterated with the impact on health and safety and on brand could be much higher as well. So bottom line is higher for sensor driven, but the top line could be higher as well for sensor driven visibility.